It's finally here! The SA Filmworx editing team sent you a link to your video. And here's how you can give us feedback. Let me show you how. So the link that you received leads you directly to your video. Once your video is open, you will note the Leave Your Comment invitation, bottom right. You don't need an account to leave comments. Just add your name and email so we know who is leaving the comments. As you play through the video and add your comments, the system will automatically log the timestamps where changes to your video need to be made. We always see the first draft as the canvas to work from. Be sure to work through the entire video and add all the comments before you let us know that we can move forward on the changes. Our editors will be able to see the required changes and make the updates accordingly. Once we send the second edit of your video, we should be much closer to the final version. Add your final comments. We aim to make the third version of the video the final version. So pop the popcorn and share with your colleagues, family and friends. To download your video, you will need to use the download function, top right of the screen. There will be various quality options to choose from. Choose the original version for the best quality and the 480p version if you would like to share the video on WhatsApp. For videos with longer talking points, transcripts can be downloaded. Kindly request the SA Filmworx team to enable the transcript function, and you'll be able to download the transcript as text. So we look forward to updating your masterpiece.